In this video, we listed the 5 best homeschool printer that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Brother HL L2380DW. The Brother HL L2380DW is a versatile monochrome laser printer designed for efficient and professional printing. It features wireless and wired connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet, allowing seamless integration into various setups. Equipped with a 2.7-inch color touchscreen display, users can easily navigate and scan to popular cloud services like Dropbox, Google Drive, Evernote, and OneNote. This printer supports mobile device printing via AirPrint, Google Cloud Print, Brother iPrint and Scan, Core2Do Workplace, and Wi-Fi Direct. With a maximum monochrome print speed of 32 ppm and a resolution of up to 2400 by 600 dpi, it delivers sharp, high-quality black and white prints. The device also includes high-quality color scanning capabilities. Weighing 21.6 pounds, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty and free phone support for the life of the machine. Additionally, the Amazon Dash replenishment service ensures you never run out of toner by automatically reordering when levels are low. Number 2. Epson WF-2750. The Epson Workforce WF-2750 is a wireless inkjet printer designed for efficient and high-quality printing, scanning, and copying. Powered by precision core technology, it delivers laser-quality performance with fast print speeds of up to 13.7 ISO ppm for monochrome and 7.3 ISO ppm for color. Featuring a 150-sheet paper capacity and an auto-document feeder that handles up to 30 pages, this printer helps save time and paper with automatic two-sided printing. It offers seamless connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, USB, and Wi-Fi Direct, enabling easy printing from iPads, iPhones, Android tablets, and smartphones without needing a network. The WF-2750 uses affordable individual ink cartridges, allowing users to replace only the color they need, and includes Dash replenishment technology to track ink usage and automatically order replacements when running low. Designed exclusively for Epson cartridges, it ensures optimal performance but does not support third-party cartridges or refillable ink. With its compact black design, sharp text quality, and versatile functionality, the WF-2750 is ideal for professional quality proposals, reports, and brochures. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET3760. The Epson EcoTank ET3760 is a versatile, cartridge-free inkjet printer designed for busy home offices, offering a cost-effective and eco-friendly printing solution. Featuring high-capacity, refillable ink tanks, it eliminates the need for small, expensive cartridges, reducing waste and saving up to 90% on replacement ink costs. With up to 2 years of ink included, users can print up to 7,500 black or 6,000 color pages before needing a refill. The printer boasts fast print speeds, 15 ppm monochrome and 8 ppm color, impressive print quality with precision core heat-free technology, and robust paper handling with an auto-document feeder, auto two-sided printing, and a 250-sheet paper tray. Additional features include a high-resolution flatbed scanner, copier, 2.4-inch color display, and modern connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Ethernet, voice-activated printing, and compatibility with the Epson Smart Panel app for easy mobile printing. Its innovative design promotes zero cartridge waste, making it an efficient and sustainable choice for high-productivity environments. Number 4. HP Color LaserJet Pro M283FDW. The HP LJP M283FDW is a high-performance, wireless all-in-one laser printer designed for versatile office tasks, including printing, copying, scanning, and faxing. It offers fast print speeds of up to 22 ppm for both color and monochrome, automatic two-sided printing, and a 50-page automatic document feeder for enhanced efficiency. Equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi for reliable wireless connectivity and the HP Smart app, users can manage print jobs, set up the printer, and print or scan remotely with customizable shortcuts to save time. The printer features strong security measures to protect sensitive business data, jet intelligence technology for professional quality prints, and compatibility with original HP toner cartridges to prevent counterfeits. Additionally, it boasts a color screen, cloud print capabilities, and a 1-year limited hardware warranty with 24/7 web support. Designed to work exclusively with original HP chips or circuitry, this robust printer is ideal for businesses seeking reliable performance and advanced functionality. Number 5. Canon PIXMA G6020. The Canon PIXMA G6020 is a versatile, wireless inkjet printer designed for efficient and cost-effective printing, copying, and scanning. This sleek black printer offers USB and wireless connectivity for seamless operation. With the ability to print up to 6,000 black and white pages or 7,700 color pages using a single set of inks, it comes with up to 2 years of ink included, providing significant savings of up to $1,000 on ink costs. The printer features a maximum print speed of 13 ppm for monochrome and 6.8 ppm for color, making it suitable for both personal and professional use. Additional features include a 2-line LCD display, auto 2-sided printing, and compact design weighing 17.8 pounds. The Canon PIXMA G6020 is an efficient and economical solution for high-volume printing needs.